Should you really be worried about coronavirus? Yes, you should be worried about coronavirus. Officials are saying it's going to get even worse within the next 6 months. So here's how to prepare for coronavirus and still be eco. Now, keep in mind that I am not any sort of medical expert, but I am really up to date on all the COVID-19 news. And if anything does happen, delete. I will be streamlined, I'll be confident, prepared, and I don't have to panic. All right, first things first, if you are going through an individual quarantine or a citywide quarantine, the first thing you need is water. Since bottles of water are being sold out in stores, get a water filter. Just because you're in quarantine doesn't mean your city is gonna shut off your water. So do a water filter, you will be eco, you will eliminate all of that plastic and BPA from getting into your water, and you'll have water for days. 2, food. My biggest tip for food is to get to the store early before it is chaotic and things start selling out. The thing about food is it is a lot of money initially when you go to the store and buy bulk items like that in bulk, but at the end of the day, you'll probably use it regardless. You want to survive for 2 to 3 weeks on things like organic frozen foods for smoothies. Get everything you need, canned goods, frozen goods, anything that is not going to perish. I will leave a list of the exact items that I bought. I have 4 bags full, ready to go. The third thing is dry supplies for your family. Kids, pets, all of it. Diapers, dog food, dog treats, cat food. Get all of your dry supplies. Again, you will use it later if you don't have to use it now. Apparently there's like a depletion of toilet paper. So I went online, I found some for you. They are all eco. Public Goods still has toilet paper left, and so does number 2. It's usually a subscription box, but they have like the one-time purchases available. Also, wipes, like wet wipes. I'm gonna leave the link for the biodegradable ones that I love from Amazon below for you, but try wet wipes if you can't find any toilet paper. Speaking of wipes, if you want to be eco, a spray is much more eco-friendly with less of a carbon footprint than a wipe. However, lab results will tell you that wipes work better for killing germs than sprays. So if you want to do a wipe and you can't find it anywhere, they are sold out everywhere, I've looked. DIY it. You can DIY antibacterial wipes with rubbing alcohol. Now, rubbing alcohol is a known antiviral. So it also kills viruses in addition to bacteria. So it's great. You wanna know what else you can DIY? Hand sanitizer. Please never spend $150 on a small thing of hand sanitizer. You don't need to. You can DIY it, it's super simple. It is eco-friendly, it is non-toxic. However, it still kills those viruses and bacteria. I will leave that recipe for you below as well. Number 4 is a mask. I know that masks will not help you from getting sick with coronavirus, but they will help other people from getting sick if you do unfortunately contract this virus. You can also use it when you live in California and wildfires break out. So this is a great mask to have regardless. Number 5, what you want to be doing right now, in addition to prepping your quarantine kit, is boosting your immunity. You want to be able to ward off coronavirus if it comes anywhere near you. So vitamin C and liquid zinc. Liquid zinc is the best type of zinc to get because your body ingests it much faster, more efficiently than a tablet. And for my most favorite supplement ever, totally streamlines this whole process, Wellness Formula by Source Naturals. These little guys contain everything you need to boost the immune system, including foods that boost your immunity like garlic bulb and elderberry. I take 4 to 6 pills a day to keep my immune system on point and strong, and you should too. And last but not least, self-quarantine. This is the only way the world is ever gonna contain this virus. We need to take responsibility and lay low. If it is not worth contracting coronavirus, don't go. However, one of the best ways to stay healthy, even if you're staying home, is to still find a way to move. Your cells need to regenerate and turn over to stay healthy and well. So my favorite way to do that is Core Self. It is an online Pilates course. You do it at home. That's it. If you have anything you'd like to add to this ecobabe quarantine list, please share with us below. We would love to know about it. Also, like and share this video with your loved ones so we can get everyone on the same page. It's super important. The key is to not panic and instead prepare. Thank you so much for watching, and stay safe and healthy out there.